to replace the cabin pollen filter. Open your glove compartment, empty it, take this cover off, pull this guide off, press lightly on the sides of the box to fully open it. Press the clips on both sides and pull the assembly out. Here's the filter itself. As you can see, it's quite contaminated. Let's take it out and get rid of it. Here's the new filter. Install it the same way as the old one. You'll see the airflow arrows on the filter and on the plastic cover, so make sure they all point to the same direction. Now install the filter and put the assembly back into its slot. Press lightly on the sides of the compartment box and put it back. Put the guide back on, as well as the cover. Now return the contents and close the glove box. That's it!